Meet Bo and Bob, peregrine falcons who've made the Transamerica building their home. Fast, focused, and fierce, they've ruled this territory for years. But these skies are changing, and Baltimore is becoming more crowded. From the outskirts comes a formidable newcomer, the eagle. Towering wingspan, crushing grip, a master of sight and strength. It's never hunted in this territory before, but now it's moving in. Built for the water, the osprey is an expert fisherman. But now we see it's venturing inland to Baltimore, testing new territory. Can this fish hunter adapt to city life? Or will the concrete jungle be too far from its home? There's one more bird new to Baltimore, a mysterious newcomer. Little is known. It's fast and quiet, and no one knows where it came from or what it can do. All we know is it's unpredictable. One city, one food source, and 5 birds, hungry and wanting. Who gets there first? Who adapts? Who competes? And who has to move away from home? Will Bo and Bob be able to stay in Baltimore? Or will they have to leave the place they call home?